Hello students. Now the seventh question from the assignment, which is from current electricity chapter about the range of voltmeter and ammeter. Again a simple question. The range of voltage of a meter, used as a voltmeter can be changed to n times its original value with the help of a 27 ohm multiplier. So if you remember, for the moving coil meters, we denote Ig as a full scale deflection current. You define Ig as a full scale deflection current, and correspondingly Rg is defined as the resistance of moving coil meter. So Ig is the full scale deflection current, Rg is the resistance of meter, and when we convert this moving coil meter into voltmeter, remember you have this moving coil meter MC, that is moving coil meter, and to convert it into voltmeter, we connect some resistance in its series, and the resistance which you connect in the series, if it is R, then the setup can be used as a voltmeter. Remember, the combination of meter and the resistance put in the series, this whole setup is known as voltmeter. It can be used as a voltmeter, and so voltage of this voltmeter will be equals to maximum current through this meter can be equal to Ig, because that is full scale current. So you cannot send a current which is more than Ig. Resistance of this meter is Rg, and the resistance R is in its series combination. So the total voltage across combination will be Ig in bracket R plus Rg, and this R is given as 27 ohm in this question. So it is V equals to Ig. You take Rg outside the bracket and you will get 1 plus R by Rg. And notice that in the absence of this resistance, the voltage across the meter will be Ig into Rg. If R is absent, the only resistance is Rg. So Ig into Rg will be the voltage without this resistance R. So Ig Rg is voltage in the absence of R, and this total expression is voltage in presence of R. And as per the question, after 27 ohm resistance is connected, the voltage increases by n times. So before this capital R equals to 27 ohm, Ig Rg was voltage, and after this R equals to 27 ohm, this total is the new voltage. So this new voltage is n times of previous voltage, which was Ig Rg. So you can write that 1 plus R, which is 27 by Rg, equals to n. That is the first equation. Now for second equation, there is one more information in this question, which is when this moving coil meter is now connected by a 3 ohm shunt resistance. So when the 3 ohm shunt resistance is connected, so the circuit will be like this: moving coil meter having a resistance Rg and a 3 ohm shunt resistance capital S, which is given as 3 ohm, and let's say I is the current now. Remember, if I is the current in this main wire, then maximum current through this meter can be Ig. The maximum current through this meter will be Ig, and rest all current, that is I minus Ig, is diverted through the shunt resistance. And since they are in parallel, their potential differences will be equal. So you can write Ig into Rg which is the potential difference between these 2 points, and the potential difference between these 2 points across this branch will be I minus Ig into 3. So you will equate them, and then we get I equals to, from here you get I equals to Ig Rg plus 3 times of Ig divided by 3. Again it is given that when it is used as ammeter, the range of current can be changed to n times, range of current. Now, in the absence of 3 ohm, the maximum current through this meter was Ig. With presence of this capital S, the maximum current through the meter is this capital I. So as per this question language, I over Ig is n, which gives me second equation now, and that gives me second equation as 1 plus Rg over 3 is n. This is my second equation. Now I will solve these two equations, two unknowns and two equations. Rg is unknown and number n is unknown. So there are two equations, two unknowns. We will solve it simultaneously, and when we solve it simultaneously, we get n equals to 4 and we get Rg equal to 9 ohm. So that is the resistance of moving coil meter. In B part, power dissipated in the moving coil is given, and the power dissipated in the moving coil is given corresponding to full scale reading. This is given corresponding to the full scale reading, and we know that power equals to, now I will solve the second part. So for the second part, you apply the formula power P equals to V square over R or I square into R. And if you are applying this relation for this meter, resistance will be corresponding to the meter, that is Rg. V will be corresponding to this meter, that is Vg, but that voltage is required here, and the power is given. Power is given, which is 9 into 10 power minus 14 watt. Rg is 9 ohm. So you solve this equation and you get voltage as well as current, and you get voltage as 90 millivolt. And now to get the value of current, you will apply I equals to V by R, which is R, where R equals to Rg, and it gives you current of 10 milliampere. So voltage is 90 millivolt and the current is 10 milliampere. So this was the 7th question from the review problem assignment related to JEE Advanced 2020. 2 more questions are left. One is from the magnetism chapter and the second one from electromagnetic induction. Right? You will get the solutions of those 2 questions within few minutes. Till then, watch this video and solve other questions of the assignment. Thank you very much.